upcoming show in May 9 to 11. What kind of humor, topics, and social issues do we have slated for our upcoming show? Pwede mo na i-reveal without preempting anything.
I think, base sa title, A Laugh Story, we will be featuring the biggest stories that's happening today. So you just go to the, so you just watch the news, and kapag nakita nyo kung ano yung mga headline, malamang nasa Live Aids yan. In a way, kasi Live Aids ay parang storyteller ng, well, this is such a big claim, but in a way, we are the storytellers of the time. Kapag pinanood mo ang Live Aids noong 2016, maiintindihan mo ang Pilipinas noong 2016. Mapapanood mo sa Live Aids 2016, may eleksyon, may kabalingan. May intindihan mo, pag pinanood mo ang Live Aids noong 2000, maiintindihan mo kung ano ang nangyayari sa Pilipinas just by watching it. So in a way, we just want to capture the spirit of the time. Yung parang, I think that what Live Aids is trying to position itself as well as storytellers of the nation. Look back, in a way, gawin niyo siyang thesis, makikita niyo yung history ng Pilipinas through the history of Live Aids.
Saka in one show kasi, di ba, natatakal tong mga issue na to in one show. Katulad nga nung sinabi namin kanina, napakarami na nating information na that are easily accessible to everybody. So kami na mismo ang mag-filter sa inyo kung ano nga ba yung kapaki-pakinabang at dapat nyong mapanood. Sa sobrang dami na kasi, di ba manood ka lang ng TikTok dahil, di ba, from cooking, from manicure, pedicure, lahat na ng gusto mong mapanood sa TikTok, nandun na. So dito sa Live Aids, we are trying our best to pick, the biggest stories of the nation and put it in one show. Para pag pinanood mo siya, oh my God, marirealize mo, oo nga, no, ito yung mga nangyayari dito sa lipunan natin. Kaya share ko lamang din sa inyo, ang hirap isulat ng Live Aids, because it is dependent on the existing or the current social milieu. Minsan, nangyari na to sa amin before, we are revising the script on the day itself. Dahil, nagkaroon ng senatorial debate sa University of Pangasinan. So, ibig na nasa University of the Philippines yung presidential debate nung sinulat namin yung script originally, baguhin natin, nasa Pangasinan tayo kasi nandun ngayon yung actual na senatorial debate. Nung time na yun na 2016. So, we are trying our best to keep up to what's happening right now. This is now. Live Aids is now. So, kung mapapansin nyo, tinaon din talaga namin, sabihin ko na sa kanila, tinaon din namin yung Live Aids ng election time. Kasi dito may pinakamaraming issue. Dito may pinakamarami tayo pwedeng pag-usapan at napakaraming impormasyon na pwede nating malaman. So, it's very timely. Masaya ako na nangyari siya before the election kasi after election, syempre may mga naihalal na. Para ba natin sila i-criticize, di ba? Parang wala nang kwenta yung mga chika natin, nakaupo na sila. So might as well, the night before the election, manood kayo ng Live Aids na ma-realize nyo kung sino ba ang mga dapat nyo iboto. Di ba? Live Aids is not really solely political, but malaki ang factor ng politics sa pagkikwento namin ng istorya. Kasi sino pang magpa-fact check at magkakaroon ng checks and balances, kundi rin tayong mga tao. And UP is here to do that. UP sa Mascom is equipped to do that.
And yun nga, as mentioned na nila, timeliness. And again, I'm pretty sure you guys are very familiar with this concept. Timeliness nung material or nung content na ilalabas natin really plays a key role in coming up with the show. So, yun, as mentioned ka kanina, kahit solid na yung script namin 2 weeks before the show, 1 week before the show, that can still change along the way. Alright, so siguro I have one last question for everyone.